Hi, just a quick video on how to show you how to make a tassel. So what you want to do is just take a scrap piece of vinyl or non-fraying fabric, and all you do is just start cutting slits 1/8 or 1/4 of an inch all the way up. Kind of leave about 1/4 of an inch to a 1/2 inch right here, because that'll get stuffed up in your cap. And you need these little caps. They come in various sizes, but this is a little cap that you need, and I have a little clasp there so I can hang it on my zippers. Anyways, so what you want to do is just cut all the way across here. I already did one. So see how it's all cut? There's my tassel. So now what you want to do is put some glue on it. You don't need very much, so it kind of holds, and then you just start rolling it. And depending on the size that you're using of your cap, you may have to trim some off to get it to stuff in there. So that's all you do. You just roll it up in there, and then we'll see if it fits. And it will. So now I just glue it really good so it doesn't come off. And there you have it, your own little tassel. Cute. And you can trim off the extra pieces. Anyways, there. All done.